Can you get down?
Yeah, yeah.
Let me see. Let me see. Climb out. Come on. You better be careful. Are you in there with Judah? Be careful. Usher, who is that? Who is that? Who's this?
Papa.
Who?
Papa.
What's his name?
Papa.
Judah? He's sucking his thumb. Hi, Judah.
Hi.
Hi, Addie. Hey, can you sing ABCs for me?
A, B, C, D, F, G, G.
H-I... Can you sing the rest of it? H-I-J-K... Q-R... T-U... V... What comes after V? What comes after V?
Double X, ready.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with
Me.
Good job. Are you gonna climb out?
Yeah.
I think I should probably put the camera down and help you, huh? Not yet, though. Hey, careful. Can you give Judah a kiss?
Yeah. Come on.
You give him kisses? Oh, he loves his thumb, huh?
Baba. Chops.
You suck at his thumb?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, what did you see today outside?
That's it.
What did you see outside?
Comes.
Huh?
Nuts.
Snow?
Yeah. Nuts.
Was it cold?
Yeah.
Did you wear a hat?
Yeah.
And then what did you eat?
Okay.
What did you eat for breakfast?
Okay. Meal.
Oh, meal? You're right.